These walls are made out of paper. Every morning after I take a shower and I go back to my room and I use the dryer, I accidentally wake up my neighbors. Because dryers are very loud, and because these are made out of paper. Yeah, okay, I really try to come up with an intro that explains why should I make this. Well, this one is very simple. It's just a plastic bag taped around the air conditioner, so the air goes through the bag and funnels into... is it a word? Funnels? Funnels through this plastic helmet that I will make out of plastic bottles. And yeah, it will work just one of those helmets that dry your hair at the salon. Salon? Shalom. It's a piece of trash. And here's the final result. Oh, hey! I just realized that air conditioners has the dry option, so maybe that will work somehow? Okay, now I need to get my hair wet. That was stupid. I'm combing my hair back so I can see what I'm doing. Oh, I look Italian. Furgoncino, lapislazzuli, figurine, zucfung. Oh yeah, the dryer. Okay, let's try. I'll set it up for 5 minutes and let's see what happens. Oh, shit, stupid tape. I'd say it kinda worked. Never gonna do this again. Also, it made me super sweaty, which is a no-no. And yes, that's it for this time. Thanks for watching my videos. No one is watching my videos really. But yeah, thanks for watching eventually. And lapislazzuli!